Machine also can be used the fixed filling nozzle into handheld flexible filling nozzle, more convenient for you to fill cake cream, jam, butter or other creamy product into the related containers. Easy to change the fixed filling nozzle into handheld flexible filling nozzle. Perfect performance and efficient in the filling process. AirTac pneumatic accessories, fully pneumatic driven. Easy to operate, advanced design, fully stainless steel machine body. CE certificate and meet the GMP standard. 2 years warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching and please feel free to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.